I can't believe this, but hello from Kisii. Have made it to the beautiful village in Kisii, Kenya. Thanks so much Life with Makori for hosting me in this trip. To give some context, Kisii is a county in Kenya with a population of over 2 million people. It's known for its agricultural products like banana, tea, sugarcane, its beautiful landscape, and its hospitable people. This morning, it's been exciting. I woke up very early, carried my camera, and sprinted out to the hill to see if I could catch the sunrise. And it was so beautiful. While on the hill, I felt like I'm standing on top of the village. And beautiful houses look like mushrooms below the hill. What I love the most about Kisii is the landscape, and the village look like a green carpet all over. Without forgetting the blue sky above. The place where I stay is surrounded by trees, and the sound of the river fills the atmosphere, and it feels so cool. In this big house, we stay 4 people: the mother, Life with Makori, the niece, and I. Today I got a chance to learn how to prepare porridge for breakfast, and I'm so excited. I interacted with the mother. She was so friendly. We exchanged stories, and we also did a lot of activities together. Thank you so much, and expect more videos from the village.
Kale kaziba kainji kangekuwa full.
So now, this house is it has a few rooms that I want to take you through, and some of them are not in use. So I just want to show you where the kitchen is, the sitting, the dining, and also we have the outside kitchen away from the house, and the store where you can get anything you need, maybe soap, maybe something like that. So I don't know if you are ready for this.
Yeah, of course I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Wow, so this is one of the rooms, but this one is not in use, and we have some old, this is machines we have for this one. It is not in work, but I'm planning to put another bed here. This bed here, I will put it here. This is bigger than the other room, so I will put a bed here. Maybe in future we will have more visitors, and we have some avocados here.
My favorite. This is my favorite fruit, by the way.
Yeah. So
You know why most of girls like the avocado?
no, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is one of the rooms, and this is the toilet, but it is not in use right now because there's no water. And this is the dining. This is the sitting room. Yeah. This is just simple, like the village. So it is not too much complicated. And here we also have our dining, and this is where now you will charge your gadgets. If you want to charge your phone, and then maybe you do that. This is the Wi-Fi, but it's not in use right now. I have not charged it yet. This is the inverter. So this is the power station. I charge my phone from down here. You can see. This is where I charge my phone. I click this one. It is charging.
Use solar?
Yeah. Yeah. Here this is the village. We don't have electricity. So I charge from here. So when you want to charge, you just come and charge from here. So to this side here, we have the kitchen, but let me finish from this side. Also, this place here is this is a toilet, but it's not in use yet. You see, we have some of the things we have just put there, and we have food store. This is where some of the foods is stored, and some of the
It's a store.
this like a store. this some of the store, a small store in this house, but it is supposed to be a room. It is supposed to be a bedroom because we have a big store in the outer kitchen, the outside kitchen. So this here you can get some soaps here from here, and maybe you want to cook. Yeah, so from this area here. So, and this is my mother's bedroom. This is it is shaggy, so yeah. This is just a bed for my niece. She sleeps here, and she has put a lot of this. Yeah, this is my mother's. So my mother sleeps here, and we always have nets. Yeah, but they sleep with mother here. That's why we don't have net in the other bed, unless we have a visitor. And here it is just this just a quick tour. And here we are in kitchen. This is our kitchen in this house, right? This is our kitchen, and in this kitchen it is not really in use because sometimes we use this gas here, but this place here we have put some eggs. You can see some eggs here. These are chicks, and putting some eggs there. So we just go out this way. This is another outside veranda. Yeah.
So guys, I'm trying to get us some guavas. I need a lot of comments down there. Guys, I'm so shy, but today I'm not.
You have improved.
I'm improving every day.